Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Shopify store to AliExpress for your drop shipping store. Really simple. Now, there are a few things that you are going to need to connect and add or create accounts for. So obviously you'll need to make an account with Shopify. If you haven't done that already, there will be a link in the description below. You can click on that for some discounts when you join. Now, once you've made an account, you're going to go over to AliExpress. And then you're also going to make an account if you haven't done so already. So please make an account and then log into AliExpress. This is just going to be on our second tab over here. Now, the main connector to connect from your Shopify to your AliExpress is an app. So we're going to go over to the App Store. And then once this page here loads, we're going to start searching for DSs. So we're going to go to the Shopify App Store in the bottom middle. And then once this page here loads, we're then going to search for the app. So up here in the search icon, you're going to type in DSERS, click enter. Now this next page is going to load and we're going to go to this one here. It has 20,888 reviews. Click on DS's AliExpress dropshipping, then click on install. So this will install the application to your store. And from here in the top right, click on install app. Then here you're going to need to create an account. So create an account for you. And there's obviously a few different options that you can pick. So you've got $4.99, $49.9, $19.9. We are going to start with just the free option. So we just want to literally just get started with this. As you scale your dropshipping business, you can always go up in price. And then simply follow the prompt. So it says here AliExpress. So we want to link our AliExpress and connect with suppliers. From here, we're going to click on authorize and wait for that to go through. Now, the next thing that you're going to need to do is install the Chrome extension. So if you click here on the Chrome extension, wait for this page here to load. Over here, it says add to Chrome. We're going to click on that, click on add extension. Now, to find that extension in the top right-hand corner where it has this little puzzle icon here, you're going to go down to where it says DS's AliExpress, and then you're going to pin that. So that's now going to show up on the little toolbar at the very top. Now from here, you're going to click on there and then you're going to log into DS's and try again. So we're going to refresh that and simply follow those prompts. We're going to try and log in over here. Once you're logged in, if you click on that again, it's going to give you this option. So please go to AliExpress to import your products. Your imported products will go to the import list on your DS's. So from here, we're going to go to AliExpress really simply. Now we're going to find a product that we can start selling. Let's just pick anything. Let's look at this shoe rack, for example. On the bottom right hand corner here, it's going to say add to DS's. So we're going to click on that option. And over here, you can see AliExpress product import has been a success. So we're going to go back to the DS's.com website. And then from here on the import list, you're going to have an option for one now. So click on import list. And this is the product that we're importing into our store. So you're going to click on push to store. And then you've got all these different options here. We're not going to go through those at the moment, but we are simply going to push to stores. And this is obviously selected just the one store. So now that's being pushed. We're going to go back to our store and then we're going to go to our products page, which is here in the top left hand corner. Now, as you can see in the products page, it has now been added to your store. So if you click on this and this page here will load, it'll give you all the breakdowns, all the information from AliExpress will be directly imported to your store. So obviously now you can edit this, you can change all the photos and go through all that, but that's how you import products from AliExpress to your store using DS's. That is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.